In this video, we'll show you how to scale your dropshipping store to $50,000 plus per month in 2025 with proven strategies and expert tips. Choosing the right products is key. We'll guide you through identifying trending, high-margin products that have proven demand. A user-friendly, attractive store is essential for driving conversions. Learn how to design your website for conversion optimization. Paid advertising drives traffic. We'll walk you through how to create effective Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns for maximum ROI. Learn how to leverage Google Ads to capture high-intent customers. We'll show you how to set up and optimize your campaigns. Retargeting is key to growth. Learn to use email and SMS marketing to nurture leads and encourage repeat purchases. A streamlined sales funnel guides customers to purchases. We'll show you how to optimize each step of your funnel. Influencer marketing can greatly benefit your brand. Learn to partner with influencers that align with you to drive sales. Data-driven decisions are essential for growth. Learn to analyze your data and optimize strategies to increase revenue. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to scale your dropshipping store to $50,000 plus per month. Watch now to start your journey.